Hi, I am Dr. Göksel Dikmen. I am one of the members of International Joint Center. After my residency, I have an opportunity to make international fellowships. One of them in United States in Hospital for Special Surgery. The other one is about related to sports medicine in Norway, Oslo University. And I have an opportunity to make a hip society fellowship in France, in Marseille and Saint-Étienne, Sties. I am routinely working in Acıbadem Health Group. I also have a role in academic levels. I have an associate professor in Acıbadem Mehmet Ali Aydınlar University, Orthopedic and Traumatology department. I am working in one of the main football club in Istanbul as a team physician since 2016. In Acıbadem Health Group and also in International Joint Center, we have an opportunity to use new technologies. One of them is the robotic surgery, robotic assisted surgery. We can do hip and knee arthroplasty with robotic systems. And for the sports medicine, we have a nanoscope, which is used for percutaneous arthroscopy. This is a minimal invasive surgical options for the sports medicine. Our centers, the International Joint Centers, have two targets. One of them is the excellent healthcare. The other one is increase the universal research activities